welcome back to my channel. Today I come with a new interesting video. In this video I will explain how to earn money through the mining of TRX, how you can mine this TRX by using this website, how you can generate a huge profit by using this website. I will complete guide you. Please watch the video complete so I can explain the all information about the website. Before starting the video, I request my all viewers and subscribers, please like this video and also subscribe my channel if you do not it. I will provide you a link in the description, you can check out it. I click on a Chrome because I already opened the registration page of this website. Such as website is trxshellblol.com is the name of this website, and it is very difficult for reading and not in understanding, and but the look of website is very simple, and you can see that this is the registration page of this website. In the up you can see a mobile phone number, login password, security password, and this is the captcha you need to fill here. I fill all these information and show you how to fill. First you need to fill the mobile phone number here, then you put your login password here, then you put your security password here. What is different between login password and security password? Login password is required when you're trying to enter into the website, and security password is required when you need to withdraw money from this website. And this is the captcha you need to put here, such as my put here, and like my now captcha is 4335, such as, sorry, this is wrong, 4335 is now my captcha. After filling all this information, I can put on this sign up to enter into the website. Before this, please note that unencrypted registration, the password is stored in a decentralized way and cannot be retried after it is lost. Please remember your password. It's mean that the website cannot retry and recover your password. Please put here the password and you can remember it easily. After filling all information, I click on a sign up, and friends, you can see that I enter into the website. Company introduction is that. First I need to explain you company introduction. This is the name of website. Currently has more than 10 self-built mines and cooperative mines around the world. The world's leading one-stop blockchain computing powerful ecosystem. www.trxshellblol.com. North American mining integrates 19th centuries and region around the world, and has more than 1 million mining machines. In December 2020, Tron's miners earned nearly $1 billion, making it a legally compliant company you can invest with confidence. Professional mining integrity company. The only official link is that. Please click the link to contract the official staff. Telegram customer services that. Telegram customer services is that. Registration reward is 800 TRX, and special note is that no withdrawal is allowed, but income can be generated and income can be withdrawn. The cloud mining machine can get 7% of the income every day. The more value added, the more income. Please find the unique website, join our TRX mining platform, and you will become the next multimillionaire. And friends, you can see that the web look is very beautiful, and here you can see that all things are added, but I refresh here to show you the my amount added or not. And friends, you can see that my amount of 800 TRX are added in my account, and this website look is very beauty and more white, and you can see that I receive a 5,000 TRX as a reward. And in the down you can see this is the app and not option, and you can see that the look of this website is that. And in the down, friends, you can see that there are many parts, but I explain one by one. Here you can see that a change of language option. You can change your website language into many other languages, and this is the customer service. You can get the customer services of this website. This is the notification option of websites, such as I click on a notification option, and you can see that there are many types of notification. First I click on a mine introduction, but I already describe you the mine. This website has a 10 top mining bases in the world. You can read it. And this is the withdrawal request introduction. Minimum deposit 5 TRX, daily 3% withdrawal. Cumulative deposit reach 5 to 30,000 TRX, 3% daily withdrawal. The cumulative deposit reach 30,000 to 1 lakh, and the daily withdrawal is 5.5%. The cumulative deposit reach 1 lakh to 2 lakh, 6%. The higher the cumulative recharge amount, the higher the rate of return. The minimum daily withdrawal amount is 3% of the fund, 10% of the maximum daily withdrawal amount is the theme, 7% of daily revenue. Remarks: for example, when your accumulated deposit reach 50,000 TRX, the daily withdrawal limit is 50,000 multiplied 7.5 is equal to 192.5 TRX. Now friend, go back to the website and you can see the agency income. You can check your agency income. Reward for recommending new user: 13% for the first level user, 5% for the second level user, and 2% for the third level user. For example, member who sign up through your refer links are your first level user. Your first level user can get 130 TRX commission reward and commission return for depositing TRX 1000. For example, your primary user invites customer to register as your secondary user through his refer link. Secondary user who deposit TRX 1000 can get 50 TRX commission reward and commission return 5%. And then you can read all this information. I go back, and friends, at the end you can see that accumulative mining machine already described, company direction already described. And I go back, and friends, here you can see that the system of deposit and withdrawal, and this is a share, and this is a team, and this is a login. And friends, here you can see that this is a share option, but these two parts I describe you at the end of the video. This is the share option. I click on a share option, and this is the portion of invite your content and friends and earn rewards. You need to copy this link and share your friends, and you can get a passive income source by using this website. I go back to the website home page, and you can see that this is a team portion, and you can check your team in level 1, level 2, and level 3, and also you can check the amount how much you earn by the using your refers. And in the down you can see that a logout option, this is not necessary. And in the down you can see that a wallet account and promotion account. Wallet account, I have a 5,000 TRX, which is equal to $289.60, and promotion account has a 0.0 because it is required when you refer invest in this website. Your rewards added in a promotion account. Join to be a Tron millionaire. Use cloud mining and technology to ensure that all user get the most TRX revenue. And this is the platform data display, and these are the active membership of this website. In the down you can see that about us, we are at our best, and in the down you can see a global partner of this website. These wallets are supporting to this website for recharging and withdrawing of TRX, such as Binance, CoinMeet, and Genius, Bitman, and other. Now I am going to describe you the trading portion of this website. Here friends, you can see that in trading 7% cloud mining is working. You can check your daily view all by clicking on view all daily profit, such as I have no profit in this website because I joined this website now and I have no profit in this website. Now I go back to the website and show you the invest option of this website. There are no orders because this website provide you order in a future, and you need to double your and you want to double your TRX by investing in this feature. This is the share option I already described you. This is a share, invite your content or friends and earn rewards here, and you can make a huge team to get a passive income source. And this is the mine options. This option is very important because here I describe you the deposit portion and withdrawal portion. And here you can see that my total balance account, and in the down you can see a deposit option, withdrawal option. This note is very necessary. Please note that recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal functions. In the down friends, you can see a team option, profit list, transfer to basic account, transfer, change password, change security password, share notification, and app. You can download the app of this website by clicking on the app. And in the down you can see that these are the two steps of website, but I first describe you how to deposit in this website. I click on a deposit option to show you how to deposit. There are two modes of investment, and you can see that a transfer to basic account, transfer to promotion account. Investment is divided into two modes: the charge to the basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone after 24 every day. Recharge into the promotion account, you can receive income according to different cycle, return the principal and income upon maturity. You know, before investing, please choose a basic account or an promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is a very critical issue. If you want to earn money through the trading, and you need to click on transfer to basic account to activate your account. And such as I click on it, please note this: please do not recharge other non-TRX. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes. If it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. Minimum 5 TRX investment. we need to copy this address, such as I copy address and I go back to my trust wallet to show you how to deposit in this website. I invest in this website 5 demo because this website I only show you how to invest in this website. I invest only 5 TRX in this website, such as I click on a that and I click on a confirm option and I click on a continue, and you can see that friends, my 5 TRX sending successfully to the website, and I go back to the website if it successfully sended, and you can see that my 5 TRX sent successfully to the website. Then I go back to the website and click on recharge completed, and I wait for a 5 to 10 minutes so my income receive in my deposit receive in my total balance, and you can see that friends, my total amount received in my account because it website provide you a instant withdrawal and instant deposit. Now I am going to describe you how to withdraw money from this website. Click on a withdrawal option, such as I click on a withdrawal option. Now my daily withdrawal limit is friend at 0.15. you can increase it by investing a more and more TRX. You can invest as same as I invest in this website. First you need to put this address here, such limit here, such as my limit is 0.15, and in the down you need to put your address, and in the down you need to put your password. I fill all information and I again resume the video. Friends, you can see that I copy my address from trust wallet after on receiving, and I put my password, and then I click on a confirm. And friends, you can see that as I click on a confirm submit successfully, I wait for a 5 minutes to receive my income in my account. And friends, you can see that I receive a TRX in my account. I go to the trust wallet account and show you I receive or not. And friends, you can see that I receive a 0.15 TRX in my account. I hope friends you like this video and also subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.